Hi trader, today happened very interesting and tense situation, and if you want to see my reaction on it, just keep watching. And of course I remind you about a code word plus social trading. Using it in my Telegram channel you can get a free signals for trading, and of course free strategies for trading. So don't waste your time and follow the links in the description. I'm glad to welcome you on the broker's website, and at the top you can see the currency pair that I have chosen for you in advance, and started from $200 today, and the same will be the amount of the first trade. I will increase the amount of trades before each trade. The time from the first trade will be 5 minutes, and of course here we will open a deal on the price decrease. Since we observe by the indicator parabolic that the indicator points the build above the price chart. This tells us about the downtrend, and also pay attention that the gap between the indicator and the price chart, the gap is quite large. It tells us about the preservation of the current trend. The second indicator for today is MACD, and we see that there is a signal line at the top and both lines are directed downwards. This tells us that the downtrend is continuing, and let me tell you more about the parabolic indicator. That is the body, because many novice traders ask me questions about how to use it properly. It's very simple. When the chart points the plot are plotted under the price chart, it indicates an uptrend, and when it's above the chart, it indicates the downtrend. And also don't forget about the distance between the indicator and the chart price itself. If the price chart touches the indicator point, if it will speak about the change of trend. After that, it will be built above the price chart. And let's go back to our trade and look at its course. The first candle after opening our deal went downwards, and the second trade also closed in the lower position. Let's observe the third candle. By the way, one of my traders told me a very interesting story, how thanks to my signals he was able finally earn the right amount of money, and he spent it for a very interesting purchase, and thanks to this he is now earning much more. And to learn his success story, join my team of traders. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to my Telegram channel. But now we continue to watch our trade. And as you can see, our first candle also formed in lower position. From very second, the chains that our deal will close in plus, and more. And now the fourth candle is formed downwards, while the indicator points continue to build above our chart. Now the last candle for our deal is formed, and well, technically it's not the last one, but the next one is forming now at 5 for only a few seconds, and therefore the current candle is decisive. Well, trader, the first deal for today closed in plus, and the profit is $166. And let's quickly move to the next currency pair. This currency pair is absolutely suitable for me, and let's first have a smaller time frame to 4 minutes. Let's put and of course all the money. In this case, the most profitable to open a deal to increase the price. Again, we observed an interesting situation on the parabolic indicator. Right now, its points are built above the price chart and tells us about the downtrend. and we can see that right now is a big candle is forming upwards, and therefore we will soon begin their construction under the price chart. And also pay attention to the second indicator, MACD. Now the signal candle is above the main candle, but very soon there will be a crossover and can be by the direction of the lines and the process of crossing from the bottom upwards, which tells us that we are in the uptrend. And let's look at the trade right now. And the candle formed even higher than the first candle we opened on the trade on. As I expected, the candle would soon touch the indicator points. Those it compensated the tempo of the previous candle. So far the deal is closed at 0, but before the end of the deal is still about half of the time. By the way, while we are watching the course of the deal, one trader wrote to me and he just amazed me with his result. And his result I will show in my Telegram channel. Follow the link in the description. And now we are continue watch our deal. And we see that the next candle didn't move at all. And let's wait a bit and not make any conclusions. And the next candle still don't move anywhere. Unfortunately, our deal closed at 0. It happens sometimes. Probably we were a little bit hurry for opening a deal, or in contrary, a little bit not in time. It's not a big deal because we didn't go into minus. That the most important things, we just went into 0, so all the money is still at our place. So let's move on to the next currency pair. This currency pair is perfect for me. Let's have a smaller time frame to 1 minute only, and well, in this case it's better to open a trade on the price decrease, as we observe the parabolic indicator that the points are built at top of our chart. These all indicate the downward trend. And also pay attention to the gap between the indicator and the price chart. It's a very large, which indicate the preservation of the trend, and MACD indicator also showed the downtrend. The signal line is also higher than the main line, and they are not going to cross. And let's watch the trade. And as you can see, the first candle formed has gone quite low at the downside, and there isn't not much time left till the end of the trade, and let's watch it. Well, trader, our last trade is closed in plus, and profit is $285.48, and let me show you how to properly withdraw money to your account. First of all, we need to click on the dollar icon, then click on the word withdrawal, and I will withdraw money in USDT, and you can choose everything you need. Then I enter my data and then how much money I want to withdraw. Click continue, and as you can see, really withdrawal came on this screenshot. And there I can say goodbye to you, and thank you all for watching, guys. You support me so much. I'm really trying my hard to make this life easier to you. I show you all my strategies, and I give you signals in my Telegram channel, by the way, for free for everyone. Just write me a code word plus social trading if you're interested. All links in the description, and I'll be happy for every one of you. Thank you all for watching. Bye.